dream I know, deep up my feelings for you.
The governorship campaign of the People Democratic Party in Edo State got a boost ahead of the September 21st, 2024 election as member of the Legacy Group supports PDP and the candidate Dr. Aswi Hodalo. Moving on after this, we have no fewer than 200 People Democratic Party members have dumped the party for the ruling All Progressive Party in Niger State. But guys, before comments fully, I welcome you all to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest GC, your home of news and politics. I thank you so much for joining us on today's news. If today is your first time of watching, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, but don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video. To all amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us. So guys, let's proceed. The governorship campaign of the People Democratic Party in Edo State got a boost ahead of the September 21st, 2024 governorship election. As member of the Legacy Group supports PDP and their candidate, Dr. Aswi Hodalo. This came shortly after the PDP national leadership sanctioned the National Vice Chairman South, Chief Dan Obi, over alleged anti-party activities. So the Legacy Group is controlled by Dan Obi and the former Edo State Deputy Governor, Comrade Philip Shaibu, who are opposed to Ihodalo's candidacy. So a member of the Legacy Group who spoke to some newsmen on condition of anonymity commended the national leadership of the party for sanctioning Dan Obi, adding that majority of the members of the group are now with Aswi Hodalo. So the Legacy Group member said that most of his colleagues cannot continue to subscribe to the personal interests of few individuals over that of the party and the state. They said they don't feel continue to work against their party in a crucial election, that those of their leaders who remain opposed to the party and the candidates are pursuing their personal interests. They are just fighting ego war and they can no longer be part of what they are doing. The original agreement was to support anybody that emerged as the candidates. That is what the Legacy Group are saying, that when Aswi Hodalo emerged, that some of them were not happy. When they were approached, they didn't give them any tangible reason other than they wanted the position. So they agreed that they should make some demand and then support the candidates. But to their own surprise, despite all entreaties, they still remain adamant in working against the party. So they are just bitter, forgetting that power belongs to God. So they cannot continue to work against their party. They are members of the PDP and they must remain loyal to their party. The mark of a good party man is that despite the issues, you must put aside personal interest and support the interests of your party. So as a member of the Legacy Group, if they are indeed through party men, they must put aside every personal interest and support their candidates. The Legacy Group said that last Wednesday, the PDP received thousands of APC and Labour Party in a massive rally at the party secretariat in Oyomo, Igwebe local government area of Edo State. And an APC Decamp Chief Osareti Michael said that many of them decided to join the PDP to support Aswi Hodalo as the best candidate for the election, adding that the majority of the people of Edo State are solidly behind Aswi Hodalo. You guys can recall that the PDP National Working Committee last Wednesday suspended Chief Dan Obi from participating in meeting, activities and programs of the National Working Committee for alleged anti-party activities until after the outcome of a 6-member National Working Committee set up to investigate the matter. So right now, the Legacy Group are saying that despite the suspension of Dan Obi and Philip Shaibu about anti-party activities, they say they are not going to get involved in their personal fights because what they were fighting for is for their personal interest, not for the party. That whatever issue that happened, they would have dropped it aside and try and support the party because power is from God, power is not from them. So my people, I thank God that they've realized that they can't continue to work against their own party in this crucial election, because if they decided to work against their party, it go bad for this coming election. So thank God that they've realized their mistakes and they have given Aswi Hodalo their full support. So this coming election, they are going to back Aswi Hodalo up no matter what. So guys, I would like to know your thoughts. Your contributions, your opinions are in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. Moving on to the next one. Not fewer than 200 People Democratic Party members have dumped the party for the ruling All Progressive Party in Niger State. The defectors, who are from Kushi Ward in Munya local government area of the state, include chairman of the party and his executive member in the area, and they were led by the former member of the House of Representatives for Muya, Shiroro, Rafiu Federal Constituency, Abdullahi Mohammed Riko. Also among the defectors was the former member of the State House of Assembly, Honorable John Bahago, and his supporters. So the defectors were formally received by the State Commissioner for Land and Survey, Barrister Maurice Bello Magaji, in company of some of the local government party chieftain on Saturday in Kushita. So the commissioner, Barrister Maurice Magaji, while receiving them, described their step as a wise decision, and he assured them that they will not be left behind in the scheme of things. They have now become part of them. He said that they will observe that the governor has demonstrated capacity and genuine leadership with his infrastructure development and agricultural revolution just 1 year in office, including the over 500 roads, both federal, state and local, under construction across the state. And this is a practical demonstration that the governor is on the verge rewriting the wrongs of many years. My people, don't be small while now. The commissioner went ahead to solicit for their loyalty to the party and indeed the government so as to forge ahead. The spokesperson for the defect thugs and former member of House of Representatives, Honorable Abdullahi Mohammed Riko, said that the development stride of the governor and that of the commissioner made them to join the APC with their supporters. So they are convinced that the governor has a genuine intention towards transforming the state with his new Niger agenda, and what he needs is the support and prayer of all the states. About 3 weeks ago, my people, no fewer than 150 members of the PDP also defected to the APC ruling party in Gulu Vasas community in Lapia local government area of the state. And una tell me say all is well. Just look at what APC government are doing to us today. The masses are suffering. High cost of living, inflation. Now where people see the defect they go, my people, we not sure say all is well because we don't understand again. My people, at this point, I would like know what you think about this matter in the comment section. I would like hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying tuned. But if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube page yet, please do us a favor to like and subscribe and also share. But don't forget to turn the notification bell to get notified whenever we drop our video, because I'm sure you don't want to miss out the trending and latest news happening on social media. To all our amazing subscribers, thank you so much for joining us on today's news. To all our viewers, thank you so much for staying tuned. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your way next, stay safe guys. Bye.